This brand is made by Unitary Products Group, which is a part of Johnson Controls. They are made in America and sold in the USA through a factory-authorized dealer network. The units use stamped slotted panel construction, which is cheaper but does not protect the condenser coil, as well as units with louvered panels. They have durable powder coat paint and are field convertible from roof mount, down discharge, to slab mount, side discharge. The PCE4 models are basic 13.4 or 2 efficient units that have variable speed blower motors for quieter and more efficient operation, and they offer optional electric heat kits in sizes from 5 to 25 kilowatts. They have a 74 decibel noise rating, which is roughly double the noise from a standard washing machine, and the guarantee on the units is only average without a unit replacement guarantee in case of compressor failure. The brand does not offer a model that qualifies for the HvacRepairGuy Premium and Ultimate categories. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.